Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to get started on ToneStation Telegram mining. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Card built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Now let's get into today's video. The link to the Telegram bot will be in the description box below. So when you click on the link, all you need to do, you will find start at the bottom, not restart. Just click on start. So hey dude, glad you made it. You have to help me earn this awesome soon. What you earn here is soon, not ToneStation. So you earn soon coins by playing games and solving cool quests. Let's do it together. Now launch ToneStation, click on it. So this is a very new airdrop which you can start to accumulate enough coins. So just click on claim. You can claim once in 8 hours, like the farming interval is once in 8 hours. Then you click on start farming. So when you click on launcher at the bottom, you find several games which you can partake in to earn points. As you can see, Blum is one of them and Hamster Combat is also one of them. So there are other games there. When you click on quests, you will see several quests you can perform to earn more points. So let's check out their Telegram channel. Follow ToneStation. Let's click on it. So they have about 993k subscribers already. Just click on join. Now let's head back. You click on claim. You can go ahead and perform the other tasks to earn soon. I think they are all 100 soon each. Okay, so this has been claimed. Now let's click on the roadmap. You find the roadmap to the airdrop. You can find it here. So when you click on referrals, you see your referrals. So as it stands, you can invite just 15 friends. So when sharing your link, I'll advise you to share it with someone that will be active, so as to boost your earnings. So that's all about the referral part. Let's click on the home, the interface. So guys, that is all about the ToneStation. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you in our next video.